If you had only one room for your living area, dining area, and kitchen, how would you make it feel spacious, elegant, and comfortable without adding walls? In this video, we'll show you how we transformed this one room into an open-plan, modern luxury home, where every area has its own purpose while still flowing seamlessly together. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. To make your living room feel brighter and more spacious, start with light wood flooring throughout the entire open space. Light flooring is a signature feature of modern luxury interiors because it creates a clean foundation. For your walls, combine warm beige paint with wood panels and a marble look feature wall. This combination adds elegance without making the room feel overwhelming. To complement those finishes, install a tray ceiling with warm conceal to add depth to the room, while recessed pin lights provide bright, even lighting for your everyday activities. For seating, a 3-seater fabric sofa gives you plenty of space to relax, while throw pillows adds subtle texture without overpowering the design. In front of the sofa, place a black marble coffee table. The darker finish creates contrast against the lighter flooring, which is commonly used in modern luxury interiors to add depth. Underneath, a large patterned area rug helps define the seating area without adding walls. This is a simple way to organize an open-plan layout while making the space feel warmer and more inviting. Beside the sofa, a round side table keeps your things within easy reach, while a floor lamp adds soft accent lighting that's perfect for relaxing in the evening. If you need a working space, you can maximize the corner below your window by adding a modern office desk and ergonomic office chair to create a comfortable workspace while keeping the living room open and functional. The natural daylight also makes the area brighter, helping reduce eye strain during long hours of work or study. You can also add a modern wall clock above the desk for a simple decorative detail while serving its purpose. Across the room, create your TV wall using wood panels and textured fabric panels with concealed LED lighting. A floating TV console keeps more of the floor visible, making the room feel lighter and less crowded. It also gives you extra storage to keep everyday items neatly out of sight. Mounted above it, a smart TV becomes the main entertainment feature without overpowering the design. To soften the combination of wood, marble, and darker finishes, decorate the space with a few decorative accessories and a tall indoor plant. Then install full-height curtains to soften the clean architectural lines while giving you better control over natural light and privacy. Finally, a modern ring pendant light becomes the centerpiece of your living area. Its sculptural design reinforces the modern luxury style while adding soft ambient lighting that enhances the overall atmosphere. By carrying the same wood, marble, and warm lighting throughout, your living area feels seamless and cohesive, with an estimated total cost of $6,000 to $10,000. To continue the modern luxury style, your dining area should feel spacious and naturally connected to the living room. Start with a full-height mirror. Besides reflecting natural and artificial light, mirrors are often used in modern luxury interiors to create a more open and elegant atmosphere. To soften the large reflective surface, add the same fabric wall panels used on the TV wall. At the center, a 6-seater marble-look dining table naturally becomes the focal point of the room. The marble finish reinforces the luxurious character of the design, while the larger table gives you enough space for everyday meals, family gatherings, and entertaining guests. Pair it with upholstered dining chairs. Their soft fabric complements the harder marble surfaces, creating the balanced mix of materials that's commonly seen in modern luxury interiors. Underneath, place a large area rug to help define the dining area within the open layout while protecting your wood flooring from everyday chair movement. Above the table, a modern sculptural pendant light becomes the room's statement piece. Modern luxury interiors often use decorative lighting as functional artwork, giving you focused illumination for meals. To complete the design, place tall indoor plant beside the mirror to add enough color and keep the neutral palette from feeling flat. Together, these design elements transform your dining area into a warm and elegant space with an estimated total cost of $2,500 to $4,000. To continue the modern luxury design, your kitchen should feel clean and efficient for everyday use. To make the most of your available space, an L-shaped kitchen layout is a practical choice. It's one of the most common layouts in modern luxury homes because it keeps your work area efficient while maintaining a clean and open appearance. To keep the entire home feeling connected, use wood grain upper and lower cabinets. Repeating the same wood finish from the living and dining areas creates a seamless flow while giving you plenty of storage to keep your countertops organized. Pair the cabinets with a white quartz countertop to brighten the space. It's also durable, stain-resistant, and easy to maintain for everyday cooking. Then install a marble look backsplash. Extending the marble all the way to the upper cabinets creates a more premium look while protecting your walls from water, oil, and cooking stains. To highlight these finishes, add warm under cabinet LED lighting. This brings out the texture of the backsplash while giving you better visibility during food preparation. For your appliances, a built-in cooktop, range hood, stainless sink with a pull-down faucet, and a refrigerator create a clean, built-in appearance that's commonly seen in modern luxury kitchens. To free up valuable countertop space, position the microwave together with an overhead glass cabinet above the refrigerator to keep everything accessible while maintaining a neat and uncluttered workspace. If you don't have room for a separate laundry area, you can integrate a front-load washing machine into the cabinetry. Concealing it behind the same cabinet finish keeps the kitchen looking cohesive while making better use of your available space. Finally, keep your countertop styling simple with a few decorative accessories. A few carefully chosen pieces make the kitchen feel warm and lived in without taking away valuable workspace. Together, these elements create a modern luxury kitchen that's both elegant and practical for everyday living, with an estimated total cost of $6,800 to $11,500. What started as one room has been transformed into a modern luxury open-plan home where the living area, dining area, and kitchen flowing seamlessly together while maintaining their own purpose. With thoughtful planning, the right materials, and furniture that fits the space, an open-plan home can feel more spacious, elegant, and comfortable for everyday living. We hope this design gave you ideas and inspiration for your own home. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.